What's up, guys? Welcome to Mad About Cake. I'm your host, Joshua John Russell, and this week we're celebrating St. Patrick's Day. I'm gonna build 2 tiers of vanilla cake filled with rainbow buttercream and tied together with a beautiful gum paste rainbow, finished with cotton candy clouds. Let's do it! I'm gonna start by breaking down a 6-inch vanilla cake. Uh-oh, Frisbee time.
Yeah, buddy.
You got it? Well,
Yep.
this one's kind of a weak Frisbee, though.
Well, guess you're gonna have to gun it. You can do it.
Oh, wait, watch out! Oh!
All right, I want the next one.
Well, because it landed on someone's foot? Is that why you don't want that one? I'm gonna cut this in half because we need, I think, 8 layers, right? Because there's 7 colors of the rainbow. I don't know.
Roy G. Biv.
Well, actually, I'm not doing Roy G. Biv. Don't kill me, guys. I'm doing Roy G. Biv. We're gonna do pink as the last color.
Not a real rainbow.
Tommy, come on.
Tommy's a rainbologist.
There are some of those that watch the show because I got schooled a couple of times. Okay, this is for real.
All right, do it for real,
An
please.
Irish Frisbee.
Throw me the Irish
This is
Frisbee.
the Irish Frisbee. I'm gonna do discus style.
Oh, how do you open
Oh, that was even further
It's
away.
gravitating towards that way. Hold on, we're gonna get this.
Take 3.
How do you get
That was straight to you. You caught that. That would have won the Super Bowl. That would have been actually way more fun than the Super Bowl this year because it was snooze fest.
Yeah, tell me about it.
James, I thought you weren't eating cake after yesterday.
Nah, today is my last day.
Oh, today is, okay. We'll see about that. All right, I'm gonna clean up all my crumbs and we're gonna fill this with rainbow buttercream. Okay, I got all my colors. I'm gonna start with pink and go all the way up to red. This
That's pink.
It is pink. Well, Lisa, our woman about cake, my culinary producer, I told I want them vibrant, so she knows I like pink. You guys can follow Lisa, my culinary producer. Her Instagram handle is a cake come true. Lisa Herrera. She's the only reason I get to do this show. Otherwise, we would do 1 episode a year.
I mean, also us too, though, right? We also help a little.
I mean, we kind of record.
Oh, that's right, you guys film it. That is 1 tall cake. All right, we're gonna take the first trip to the cooler, then we'll trim the sides, crumb coat, final coat. So happy, look at that. She's just floating away like a rainbow. There's a really funny video on YouTube, if you guys ever wanna watch it, of Saoirse Ronan on Stephen Colbert, and she tries to teach him a proper Irish accent. And it's really funny, because he keeps trying, she's like, stop, and listen to this. She's gotta kind of just be like sing-songy, right?
I don't know how to do Irish.
I don't think I do either.
I mean, that doesn't stop me from doing it.
Oh, right, of course.
I always have to start with top of the morning to you.
Which they don't say.
Do it? No, they don't say it.
Hajablanishton.
Arr, there's only going to be so many people.
I'm gonna make the rainbow with a piece of gum paste. So I have gum paste, I have a roller with my spacing bands, and a little bit of snow to roll that out. Snow! Snow! So I made a template. I gotta show you something. I made this template out of cardboard, and I wasn't sure how to do it because I don't have a giant protractor. And then I ended up ruining my table expander.
You mean your trash can lid?
It's a table expander. This is, you've seen me use this product before. You put it on top of your turntable and
And then it's a shield when people
Anyways,
attack you.
That's true. If you throw garbage aggressively. James, you should hold this back there when I do frisbees.
No, I won't do that.
Well, you have to actually hit me for me to use the shield. You know what I mean? Anyways, the point is, I did this with permanent marker.
The shield worked.
You're supposed to eat that garbage case. Stop wasting food. Okay, can I roll this out now? Oh, this is a tight piece of gum.
Watch your head.
That's me mean mugging the camera, see?
Well, gum paste gets bubbles.
Everything gets bubbles. Gum paste, fondant, fish.
Fish
don't get bubbles, dude.
My
They
fish
make
gets
bubbles,
bubbles. You know, a fish can get a bubble and it gets air trapped inside it and it swims sideways. That's so mean. Because I have a fish and I would hate for that to happen to my sweet little bologna. Okay, so my template made a couple of lines, so I'm just gonna take my Fondant Smoother and buff those out so it's smooth. And I'm also gonna smooth the edge. This is one of those pieces that it's thick enough. We'll have to leave it for a couple of days and just keep flipping it every day. But once it's completely dry, you could actually take a little piece of sandpaper and sort of get any imperfections out if you wanted, because it's not delicate like, say, a gum paste flower. You would need something really, really fine, sandpaper-wise.
You talking like a 4 or a 5?
I don't know. I just go in there and feel them and go, yeah, this one's good.
Is that food safe sandpaper?
Sand is food safe. I mean,
Yeah,
have you
if
ever
you
eaten
get sand,
sand?
yeah, I have. If you hold it in your mouth long enough, you'll make a pearl. It takes like 10,000 years, but
Man About Cake is a bad show if you want to learn science.
yeah, the rainbologist and humans making pearls. Yeah, all right, well, we're gonna let this sit and dry completely. I have one already done, and now we're gonna airbrush it. Okay, I'm gonna airbrush the rainbow. I haven't done this before, so I have a ruler here, just so I have to fit 7 colors on here. So I wanna make sure that I don't get aggressive with 2 colors, and then I'm not able to fit the pink at the end. And I'm using Airbrush Food Color, Food Safe. So it looks like the best way to do this is to put a color down, go back to the previous color, and try to blend the two together. We're gonna glue our cakes to our board using chocolate. I'm gonna help myself do this with a template. Boom. Okay, cool. So now I'm gonna glue them down with a little bit of melted chocolate. And my melted chocolate even has rainbow sprinkles in it too. Put a little bit down. Huh?
Why did you add the sprinkles if you were just gonna cover it up?
Because I know it's under there. It's all that matters. My underwear are rainbow right now. You don't know that, but I'm happy about it. So now I'm gonna grab my mirror glaze and a little squeeze bottle, and we're gonna do a little bit of mirror glaze rain. Okay, I've got a squeeze bottle here. Here's my mirror glaze, it's warmed, and I've got a little bit of blue. So this is gonna be our rain. You could do this with a spoon, but I like the control of a squeeze bottle. All right, so I'm gonna do this just around the edge, and the reason why is because we're gonna put our rainbow here, and then I'm gonna put cotton candy for clouds, but if it hits the moisture of something like this that's really liquidy, it's gonna melt the cotton candy really fast. Okay, I think that's good. All right, so now I'm gonna grab sprinkles, I'm gonna grab my rainbow that we airbrushed because it's dry, cotton candy, and let's finish this guy. Okay, rainbow time first, and then I think we're probably gonna have to secure it with some skewers. So I've got a little bit of melted chocolate here. I'm gonna dip my skewer in melted chocolate. I'm gonna slide it right behind the rainbow. Okay, our rainbow's on, and now I'm going to put some rainbow sprinkles around here to cover up the buttercream. That way our cotton candy is not touching something that has moisture in it, because then it will disintegrate.
Hey, didn't you make a rainbow cake before?
I did. I actually made an all-natural rainbow cake using all-natural food color. It's in a class called Baking Swaps. We'll put everything in the description box below. That was a fun class. I can't stop doing it. Somebody take this away from me. Okay, now let's put some cotton candy in here. For the final step, I'm gonna put some gold in the clouds. Instead of a pot of gold, my clouds are just gonna be full of gold. Our St. Patrick's Day rainbow cake is all done, and I think she turned out super cool. If you guys want more St. Patrick's Day ideas, Blueprint has put a list together for you. I'll put everything in the description box below. I can taste every color. Oh!
Oh yes, next week's the music video.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Men About Cake. I'm your host, Joshua John Russell, and this week we're celebrating St. Patrick's Day.
St.
Patrick's Day.
St. Patrick's Day.
Oh my god.
Oh my God.
St. Patrick's Day.
I'm gonna go back to my Airbrushing. Whoa, whoa. We just about had a rainbow disaster. What is that, rainbologist? What do you call a rainbow disaster?
Cloudy day.
I mean, if you have a sunny day too, that would also be a rainbow disaster.
Not if it just rained.
No, because sun makes rainbows, bro. You need sun and moisture. You get rainbows.
I'm gonna fill this 6-inch vanilla cake with a rainbow buttercream and finish it nope, and then cotton candy.
Okay. Okay.
I think that was good, right?
Let's try it one more time.
Without-
Maybe be more descriptive at the end.
Just for safety. We got it.